There are better ways to keep cool. Call KS Services and receive a new Bryant unit with no payments and no interest for 18 months. Stay cool now and pay later. Visit callks.com for more.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Monday, the 23rd of November. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather will stay dry tomorrow. Have a batch of rain and storms Wednesday. Another batch of rain and storms this weekend as the pattern becomes increasingly active. So here we go. This is the upper air look across the country. Got a northwest flow aloft and a very dry air mass today. A trough in the western states. We'll be keeping an eye on that. Temperatures are mostly in the 50s and low 60s. That's below average for late November. Holman sitting at 54, Aniana 56, Birmingham at 61. We'll go back in the upper 60s tomorrow with a sunny sky. There's the watch warning map. Pretty quiet today. Got a few pockets where winter weather advisories are in effect, and that's about it. Severe weather not expected across the country through tonight. However, tomorrow we have a risk of severe storms. Now a slight risk over much of Oklahoma. A marginal risk as far east as Memphis and the Mississippi Delta. And then on Wednesday, we have a marginal risk across parts of the southern states, including the northwestern part of Alabama, in a broad zone from the Shoals down to Fayette, Gordo, and Livingston. And we'll talk more about this in just a second. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Rain amounts pretty high here across the Deep South with multiple rain days expected. Rain totals between now and Monday morning of next week will likely be between 2 and 4 inches for much of the state. And the tropics, we are down to 7 days left in the hurricane season. We've got a low that's east of the Bahamas. It's not tropical, just a low chance of that acquiring tropical characteristics. As it moves northeast away from land, the Gulf of Mexico remains very quiet. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 3 local time. You can see that trough digging down into the plain states, and a surface low develops over western Oklahoma. And south and east of that surface low, there could be strong storms, but here should be another nice day. The sky sunny, the high 67 to 70 in most spots. Then Wednesday, the surface low is south of Chicago with a trailing front, and we'll see showers and thunderstorms arriving by mid to late afternoon Wednesday. This is the high-res NAM, valid at 6 o'clock Wednesday evening. And you can see this is not an especially widespread type event. We'll have a broken band of showers and thunderstorms across north and west Alabama. Shear amounts very high, but Cape amounts very low. That's instability, and that should be the primary limiting factors. So at this point, the severe weather threat doesn't look to be especially high, but there could be a few storms Wednesday afternoon or Wednesday evening with small hail and strong gusty winds. We'll watch those carefully. Thursday, Thanksgiving Day, the front is going to stall out somewhere across Alabama. Where that happens will determine your weather. This is the GFS, and this is the European. And this is probably the right solution. The better chance of showers for Thanksgiving, most likely over the eastern and southern counties. North and west Alabama, mostly cloudy but dry. And the weather should be mild. We'll probably see highs at or just over 70 on Thanksgiving Day. And this is Friday. That front begins to creep northward as a warm front. So the day will be cloudy, very mild, a chance of a few showers statewide, but it won't rain all day. Now, this is Saturday, a big day in terms of weather because it is the biggest day of the year in terms of football in the state with the Iron Bowl in Tuscaloosa. Now, this run of the European, which we're on here, has the better chance of rain south of Tuscaloosa. This is the GFS. It's suggesting the showers could extend a little farther to the north. One way or another, I don't think the day's just going to be a washout, but no doubt some risk of rain for the Iron Bowl this year. Once we get past the system Wednesday, we can be much more specific on what happens this weekend. But for now, cloudy, a chance of showers, highs 65 to 70 in most spots. And then Sunday, we're getting a different look. So this is the European and valid Sunday at 12 noon. And a surface low is over Louisiana. What I showed you this morning had the surface low that was near Chicago with a chance of severe storms. This looks like more of a heavy rain event and not necessarily a severe weather event. Let's go to Monday morning at 6 o'clock, and that surface low is coming up into southwest Alabama. And if this verifies, just a big soaking. No severe weather, but heavy rain a possibility. And then this is Monday evening, at 6 o'clock, and we've still got a secondary low forming on that boundary. So a lot of uncertainty exactly how this whole thing plays out Sunday into Monday, but no doubt rain looks likely, whether it's a strong storm event or a heavy rain event, that remains to be seen. This is the upper look on Monday. You can see a trough over the eastern states, and that will pull down some pretty cool air toward the middle of next week. We'll go out 10 days, Thursday, December 3rd. Look at those low thickness values because of a very intense upper low, if this verifies, over Arkansas and Missouri. And you know what they say about those things, cold core, upper low, weatherman's woe. And we'll just see how that plays out. Here's the rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble for the next 15 days. The amounts approaching 4 inches on the mean. Some of the members in excess of 6 inches. So the pattern looking increasingly wet as we head into December. And the temperatures next week noticeably colder, if this verifies. Is coming off the national blend of models. Next week, highs drop in the 50s and lows drop in the 30s. And hot off the presses, the new CPC outlook. This is for December 1st through December 7th. And if this verifies, temperatures would be below average across much of the Deep South. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.